Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Stuck choosing between the Canon Portrait and Travel 2 lens kit and the Panasonic LUMIX 14-42mm zoom lens? This could seriously up your photography game.
The Canon kit does look tempting with that 50mm prime and the wide angle. But is it really worth almost double the price of the Panasonic?
Absolutely. Imagine this. You're at a concert, low light, no flash allowed. That Canon 50mm f/1.8 lets you capture crisp shots with that beautiful, creamy background blur. The Panasonic, with its variable aperture, just can't match that.
Okay, the low light thing is compelling. But the Panasonic lens has Mega OIS optical image stabilization. Does the Canon kit offer times any stabilization? Because shaky hands are my enemy.
Let's dive deeper and see what makes these lenses tick, and figure out which one is the right fit for you. The Canon kit shines with its versatility, no question. The 50mm is Nyman made for portraits, and the 10 to 18mm is super wide, great for landscapes or squeezing everyone into a group shot. Think epic travel photos.
The Panasonic lens, on the other hand, offers a more compact 14 to 42mm zoom range. It's more of an all-in-one solution. How does that translate to everyday use, like family photos or casual outings?
With the Canon, you're not just getting low-light performance, you're getting creative control. That wide f/1.8 aperture lets you isolate your subject and create stunning bokeh. The Panasonic's maximum aperture of f/3.5 to 5.6 just doesn't give you the same artistic possibilities.
True, but the Panasonic's image stabilization is a huge times plus for video. Smooth, handheld footage is so much easier to achieve. Plus, it weighs only 0.08 pounds. The Canon lenses together are significantly heavier at over a pound. But here's the real kicker. The Canon kit is renewed, meaning it's pre-owned and refurbished. The Panasonic is AIDA certified refurbished. Does that affect the warranty or the overall reliability?
Exactly. Are you okay with a renewed product to get that Canon versatility, or do you prefer the peace of mind of a certified refurbished Panasonic, even with fewer features?
If you're passionate about portraits and landscapes, willing to swap lenses, and crave that low-light capability, the Canon kit is a fantastic choice. Just be aware it's a renewed product.
But if you prioritize convenience, need reliable image stabilization, and want a lightweight, all-purpose lens, the Panasonic is your best bet. Plus, it's significantly cheaper.
Ultimately, both are solid options for different needs and budgets. Consider how and what you like to shoot, and choose the lens that aligns with your photographic style. Happy snapping.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.